On screen text, how to change League of Legends font to Korean. Narrator. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to change your League of Legends font to Korean. Narrator. First, make sure your Riot client is open and you're logged into your account. Narrator. In the Riot client, click the small gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Zoom in on that gear icon so you can clearly see it. Narrator. In the settings menu, select the General tab on the left, then look for App Language or Client Language. Narrator. Click on the language dropdown and switch it to Korean. A simple caption appears. Set Riot client to Korean. Narrator. Click Confirm or Apply if prompted, then allow the client to reload in Korean. On screen text, client now in Korean with a check mark. Narrator. Next, open League of Legends from the Riot client. Wait for the game client to load in Korean. Narrator. Once you're in the LOL client, click the small gear icon in the top right again to open in-game settings. Narrator. In the settings window, go to the General tab. Here, make sure the game language is also set to Korean so in-game text matches the Korean font. Narrator. Click OK or Apply. The client may ask you to restart the game to fully apply the Korean font. Simple caption, restart if asked. Narrator. After restarting, head into a custom game or practice tool. You'll see champion names, abilities, and chat, all using the Korean font. Narrator. And that's it. Your League of Legends font is now in Korean. On screen text, Korean font on plus a reminder. Change language back in settings anytime.